In this video, you will learn how to hide and unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. You will learn two easy methods. For example, currently I want to hide a row number 3. So firstly, I will select this row. To hide it, I will right click here, and here is the option of hide. I will click this option, and you can see here the row number 3 is hide now. It will not print out, but it is not deleted. You can unhide it anytime. For example, I want to unhide it. For that purpose, I will select the rows above and below that particular line. And one thing I should mention, that how to identify that a particular row is hide. Currently you can see here these numbering are should be consecutive, but 3 number is missing. It means that row number 3 is hide. Secondly, it is also indicated by double line. You can see here there is a double line here. It indicates that the rows are hide here. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now I want to unhide the row number 3. For that purpose, select these two rows by dragging, right click, and here there is the option of unhide. Click on it, and you can see here the row number 3 is unhide. Now you will learn how to hide two consecutive rows. For example, I want to hide row number 3 and 4. Select this row, hold shift key and select second one. Now I will use second method to hide these rows. Go to home tab, and in home tab you will find the option of format. In format menu you will find the option of hide and unhide under visibility option, and from here I will select hide rows. Now you can see here these rows are hidden now. Now if I want to unhide it, I will select the row above and below by dragging option. I will use second option, go to format, and from here I will find hide and unhide option, and I will select unhide rows option, and you can see that these rows are unhide now. Similarly, if you want to hide the rows which are not consecutive, for that purpose you should use control key. For example, I want to hide the row number 2 and row number 4. Firstly, I will select row number 2, hold control key and select row number 4, right click and go to hide option. Now you can see here that these rows are hidden now. To unhide the multiple rows which are not consecutive, you can use a shortcut. For example, in this case I will click here on the upper corner. Now you can see here the whole sheet is selected. Now I will place my cursor on this particular row. It is not necessary that you place cursor on a particular row. You can place it on anywhere on this row. Right click and you will find the option of unhide. Click on it and all rows which are hidden now will be appeared. Similarly, if row 1 is hidden, for example, I will hide it. Now I will teach you how you can unhide the row number 1. Firstly, select row number 2. You can see here there is a no row on the upper side of it. So for that purpose, hold the control key and select first column. Now place your cursor on that row, right click and select unhide option. Now you can see here that these are unhide now. So by using these options you can hide or unhide rows. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.